Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an awesome application in Ionic where you can change the background color of your application. As you can see, we have here a button. If I click on it, the color of the background will change. If I click on it again, it will change. So it will keep changing. So it's awesome. Let me show you how you can do that. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Here, as you can see, we have the home.page.ts and we also have the home.page.html. First of all, in the HTML, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create the button. So here, ion and then button. And this button is going to say here, change color. And then I'm going to add a click event to this button, click. And the function that's going to be called is called change color. And this button color here is going to have a value called selected color, and I'm going to change this selected color value after the user clicks on this button. And also the ion content will have a color here, color called or value called selected color. Now all of the work will be in the TS file. So in the TS, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to create an array called colors, public, and then colors is going to be equal to new array. And this array will have 3 values. I'm going to initialize it in the constructor here. This dot colors is going to be equal to 3 colors. Let's say primary, and then we have the danger, and let's also say the dark, and let's also create the variable that's going to be changed, which is the selected color. By default, this selected color is going to be equal to the primary color. Primary color. And then we need the function that's going to be called here, change color. And this change color function will check the value of the selected color, and it's going to keep changing it. So first of all, I'm going to use here if statement, and then that selected color, if that selected color is equal to the primary, then at this point we need to change the value of this color to something else. Let's say that here the selected color is going to be equal to that colors to the danger. So here I'm going to pass 1, and else if the selected color, this selected color is equal to the danger, then we want to change it to something else. Let's change it to the dark. So here this dot selected color is going to be equal to this dot colors dot 2 or 2. And then else we want just to go back to the default value, which is the selected color is going to be equal to this dot colors and then 0 to go back to the primary color. Now let me save everything, save all, and then test. So I'm going to here type in the terminal, I'm going to type Ionic serve and then hit enter. And now, as you can see, by default it's going to be the primary color. If I click on change color, the background color and also the color of the button will change to the danger. If I click on it again, it's going to change, and if I click again, it's going to go back to the default color, which is the primary color. So this is an awesome application where you can change the background color of your application, which is, by the way, very important because you at some point you might want to change the background color of your application. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also check the description below because I have created a course on how to create an Instagram application using Ionic framework. and this course will take your skills to a very high level. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.